everyone, this is Chris over at Acevacuums here in Leesburg, Virginia. Today we're going to talk about a company called Titan. It's a brand that we've been selling here for quite so many months. They make a variety of commercial vacuums, residential vacuums, bagless, backpacks, you name it, they got a wide variety. Today we're going to actually be talking about the T3200. This is a great vacuum for somebody that has lots of carpet that's looking for a great cleaner to get all the dust, dirt, hair, debris out of your carpet. It has a very good warranty. All right, it's all serviced and done here through our company. The nice thing about this vacuum is it's all rubber bumper guarded on the front, so it'll protect your furniture as well as the vacuum. It has a height adjustment, so it doesn't matter if you have low pile carpet, deep pile carpet, this vacuum will do any type of level of carpeting that you have in the home. It has all the onboard attachments here, so you have your crevice tool, your dusting brush, and your upholstery tool. This has a carrying handle in the back, so if you do have steps, it is lightweight, easy to use and pick up. Nice long stretched out hose that does extend out with a nice telescopic wand to get those tough to reach high areas and down in the crevices between the floorboards and the around the edges of your walls there. This does have a HEPA media bag, so you're going to get a nice HEPA bag with a pre-filter and then a nice HEPA bag here. This is a great little vacuum for somebody, like I said, that's looking for something lightweight that has wall-to-wall carpet, looking for a good deep cleaning in your carpet. This is the vacuum for you. It's reasonably priced. It's listed at $299. We do accept trade-ins and things like that on different parts of our vacuum. So if you do have an old vacuum you'd like to trade in, get one of these. So really good, does all levels of carpet, area rugs. You can even pick the roller up enough to be able to do the floor to suck up your stuff on your hardwood floors. We strongly recommend this. Titan is a good brand. It's made by Tacony, which is owned by Ricard. So if you guys have any questions about this model, call us at 703-997-9292. Exceptionally well cleaning machine right here, the Titan 3500. If you guys have questions, check our website out too, as well as www.acevacuums.com. Subscribe to our TikTok, as well as Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you go out and get this vacuum. If you're somebody that has a lot of carpet, this is the vacuum for you. Thank you guys, and have a